Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today we're going to be building a control panel for a play sensor. It is going to be controlling 4 fans and the reznor. So it'll be a time-lapse video showing you what's going where, and that's about it. And then it's going to be programmed by one of the bosses, engineers, by Lox1. I don't know if you've heard of Lox1, but I'll turn it around, quickly show you what this is how it's going to look potentially inside the panel. So here we go. So I don't know if you can see that. So that's what we're looking at the moment. So you've got your waygos. These are for your interconnecting for your fans. So you're going to have a low, medium, high, and then a neutral. These are for all the fans. So we've got 4 fans, and then we need to add some more for a reznor. These are circuit breakers for the fans. Relays, also for the fans. Then we've got the Lox1s. And this is the main brain here, the mini server as we call it, and then the main isolator. So Don't worry about them, nothing connected at the other end. So the MCBs for the fans, resin is not currently connected. The low, medium, high relays, they'll do their own switching within the program, the main brain. So yeah, that's it done. The reason we've got this equipment installed, the mini server, it's going to be controlling 4 floair fans. This is because there's a reznor, and the reznor's on. Obviously heat rises, as you know, and this is basically the 4 fans will push the heat down, so it works more efficient and the heat's not just staying at a high level. So I'll take you around there, and it's a bit dark, and I'll turn the camera and I'll show you which fans they're doing. Here we go. So there's one. That duct there was installed by myself and other members. There's a reznor over there. There's another fan. There's another one, and there's one underneath that light there. So this is all to help with getting the heat down from that reznor there. Welcome back. So update on the job. Panel's wired, it's all done. When I say it's done, the D-strap fans are running. There is a few, we've got to lock in some of the equipment, i.e. the reznor. We've got the boiler to do, so I'll just turn it around. That was on the previous vlog that I showed you, so that boiler needs to be interlocked into this panel. So now while the camera's around, just quickly show you. Mini server, the main brain of this, you've got your medium, oh, turn it up, low, medium and high relays. Relay for the reznor, future, there for future. So yeah, I'll quickly show you the locks one. App, so this is where it's all controlled, as you can see. So average room temp, got 4 D-strap fans like I've showed you. They've all got sensors on them, so that's telling you the average room temp between the 4 sensors. At the moment, D-strap fans are on. Let's go up. Don't know if you can see that, but it's saying it is on. So we've got our CO2 sensor there. There you go, eco. Just tells you a bit more. Go off that. We've got a humidity sensor within. CO2 level has now dropped, so yeah, you can do anything from this locks one. Home automation, you name it, it can be done with this. So yeah, there it is, guys. D-strap fans. Just quickly showing the panel. We'll turn this light off and you should see that. You should see one of the relays lit up. There you go. So that is actually a high speed relay that's lit up at the moment. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Plenty more videos to come. See you soon. See you on the next vlog. Thanks guys. Ash the engineer.